Dreamed I went to heaven,
and you were there with me.
We walked upon the streets of gold,
Beside the crystal sea,
Heard the angels singing,
and someone called your name.
We turned and saw this young man.
He was smiling as he came.
And he said, "Friend, you may not know me now, but here we are in heaven."
You used to lead my youth choir when I was just 11.
And every week you would say a prayer
before choir would start.
One day when you said that prayer,
I asked Jesus in my heart.
thank you for giving to the Lord. I am a life that was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you gave. Then another man stood before you.
He said, "Remember the time
a missionary came to your church. His
pictures made you cry.
You didn't have much money,
But you gave it anyway.
Jesus took the gift you gave.
and that's why I'm here today."
Thank you for giving to the Lord.
I have a life that was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord.
I am so glad you gave.
One by one they came, as far as the eye could see.
Each life somehow touched by your generosity. Little things that you have done,
Sacrifices made,
unnoticed on the earth. Up in heaven now proclaim. For I know up in heaven you're not supposed to cry,
But I am almost sure there were tears in your eyes.
as Jesus took your hand.
you stood before the Lord.
He said, "My child, look around you, for great is your reward." Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am a life that was changed.
thank you for giving to the Lord.
I am so glad you gave.
Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am a life that was changed. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you gave.
I am so